Scores of residents in McGlashen in rural St. Andrew are now marooned after heavy rain caused a massive breakaway in the community. While no one was hurt during the disaster, homes are now threatened and there are heightened concerns that the situation could worsen with the impending bad weather. I was in the community earlier today. The rain and fog are a symbol of the mood here in McGlashen, St. Andrew. Overall, it's been a worrisome day for these people behind me. Around 8:30 this morning, the road behind me came crashing down.
I always expect the unexpected, but I wasn't looking for this. This is more than a disaster. And the impact it has on the community is very great and stressful. Because we have been without road for a very, very long time. And this put with it, I would term it as a liability.
Sometime in last week, the road have been cracked. There's some crack in the road and, persons start to shift some of their stuff and so forth, and from last night to yesterday, the road started to crack very rapidly. And this morning to last night, a vehicle stuck last night and a resident have to help and help remove that vehicle.
And the impact has been far-reaching. This is a farming community. Scores of farmers have been impacted. People have to go to work tomorrow. Children have to go to school, many of them outside of this community and outside of the parish.
Some person can drive to Brandon Hill, but Brandon Hill is very long. You understand? So they won't. It won't be even financial for them in that sense.
Extra bad, because they have to be fretting now. How am I going to get feed for the chicken?
People have been working since 9 o'clock this morning to create this route, which provides an alternative pathway for people to travel by foot. But as you can see, it is a dangerous trek, which may prove difficult for young children, the elderly, and others in the community. But if they want to leave come tomorrow, this is where they have to walk.
Yes, we have children going to Oberlin, Laverns Tavern, Temple Hall, Mount James, Mount Prospect, New Garden, and there's no road for them, and even in town.
From the look of things, it will take some time before normality is restored in the community. Now, while the authorities work to find a solution, the residents are hoping an emergency route will be created soon. I spoke with the Member of Parliament for the area, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn.
We're going to have to find a solution. NAA is aware, the minister is aware, and so I wanted to come up and take a look firsthand to see what the severity, what it looks like.